Hello my Diecast friends, today a review about this 164 Cyberpunk Tesla truck from the brand Xcartoys. Here we see a picture of the Cyberpunk truck. Box is empty, no text, barcode or article number whatsoever. Let's open it up. See, the truck comes in a plastic zakje. So here it is, and it feels pretty heavy. That's a good sign. No rubber tires, plastic wheels, but the rims look authentic. Let's take a look at the front. No painted front lights. Here. Let's take a look at the interior. I like it that there's a display screen in the middle. That looks pretty authentic. Steering wheel looks also authentic. We got 3 seats in the front, I believe, and 3 seats in the back. Here, let's take a look at the base. It's a metal base. We see Cyberpunk scale 164, made in China 2020. Now, there is no name of the brand on the car or on the box. The only evidence I have is here on this ticket that was in the box. It says Xcartoys 164. So yes, that's the only evidence. Car rules really good. So here we got the back, we got painted lights here. So yes guys, I know this is a car, you hate it or you love it. I think it's pretty cool. So I'm glad I'm having this model in my collection. Let me know what you think of this car in the comments. I have a lot more to come. I'm going to do a review about those two Maestro designs. You see Johnny Lightning in the back from the James Bond series. And I have this military truck and I'm waiting for another one. So I'm going to do a review about that one as well. Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow me on Instagram. And I'll see you later guys. Have a nice day. Bye.